We'll guide you through how to change your Google or Gmail account name. You can follow this on a phone or computer. We'll guide you through it for both. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you aren't happy with what it currently is. You can go and see it by if you go and open up Google, Gmail, or another service. I could do Google, for example, and then press your icon. You can go and see it here. So perhaps it was go and set a long time ago and you want to go and change it, or perhaps you now have a shortening of your name you want to go and start using. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. So to go and get started with this, you need to go and head to a Google service, Google, Gmail, like one of those. So I'll go and do this now. And then what you need to do is go and press your icon in the top right, and you can go and press the manage button. So you can go and manage your Google account. Of course, your Google account is also your Gmail account. Gmail comes under it. So then what you need to do is you can go and see it here again, and you can go and press personal info just here. Now you're going to go and start seeing your different info. I'm just going to hide my phone numbers. And what you need to do is you need to go and find name, and you can go and tap there. Go and wait for this to load. It shouldn't be too long. And then you can go and see your name at the top here, which we can then go and click on. And as you can see, it says changes to your name will be reflected across your Google account. Your previous name may still be searchable or appear on old messages. So for example, let's say I wanted to go and start using my full name, Robert. Then what I could do is go and type that in like so. Then you could go and press the button in the bottom right, and I can go and change the surname if needed. I'm not going to in this case. And then what you can do is go and scroll down and you can go and press save like so, and wait for this to load. And as you can see, it's now changed. So it may take a little bit of time to update across Google, but if you then go and press on your icon in the top right, you can see it now is Robert Tucker. So it's that simple. You can go and change your name like that. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got more guides like this to come as well. So feel free to go and subscribe and like for more. I look forward to help you again with your next tech problem. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.